Here's a 2008 Honda Odyssey. From hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you want. Features include AM/FM XM satellite radio, power sliding left and right rear passenger door, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, power windows, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver reports sheet metal now appears shrink-wrapped indeed. Panel gaps have been reduced by up to 1.5 millimeters, giving the Odyssey an athletic stance that is emphasized by a tauter rear end and a sportier front fascia with dual projector beam headlights. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Thayer Honda is happy to pass the savings and quality on to our customers. Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 1019 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.